一点的吗？
Today we will go to learn the structure, adjective plus 一点。Its sentence structure is 有 plus adjective plus 一点 plus 的 plus 吗。The structure adjective plus 一点 is used in a sentence implying a comparative meaning. It indicates a slight difference in degree. Also, it can be omitted.
你喜欢这件衣服吗？
有大一点的吗？
这件怎么样？
有短一点的吗？
这件呢？
这件很好，谢谢。
Okay, after watching the video, now let's learn the HSK Level 1 Grammar point, which is adjective plus 一点。The sentence structure is 有 plus adjective plus 一点 plus 的 plus 吗。We usually use this structure in a sentence of expressing comparative meaning, which indicates a slight difference in degree. Let's make some examples. The structure here, I will give you a word, 短 It means short. The aim of asking this question, 有短一点的吗, is to know if there is a shorter one. Now, let's look at this sentence. 有短一点的吗? You can click on the button, listen and repeat.
有短一点的吗?
Let's go on. Here, I will give you a word. 新 Read after me. 新 It means new. If you want a newer one, you can say 有新一点的吗? Here, 有新一点的吗? Also, you can click on the button. Listen carefully and repeat.
有新一点的吗?
Okay, now, I think you are quite familiar with this structure, right? Let's do some exercise. I will give you an example. 有大一点的吗? Read after me. 有大一点的吗? Now it's your turn. You can use this structure to make some sentences by yourself. Okay? Practice makes perfect. Keep on learning.